Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me, Mike from Riverside. Today I'm going to be installing LED light strips into my home studio to give it that edge when I'm filming videos. So I'm just going to quickly show you my studio. So I'm going to just flip the camera around. As you can see, this is like my main setup here. And yeah, at the moment it's a bit messy, so you'll have to forgive me for that. Yeah, this is basically how my home studio looks right now. I've got this white shelf as well, which I actually want to get rid of because it doesn't look great. I've got like a bass trap here in the corner, and I've got like my guitars and all that sort of stuff there. Basically what I'm looking to do is there's a power source basically underneath here. So I want to run the LED strip along the edges of the door, over the top, down there, and then round to over there. I'm actually thinking to run it right the way through on the skirting boards, all the way to probably up to there. And then yeah, I'm going to see how that looks. So yeah, this is the first time that I've ever done something like this. What I need to do first though is I need to actually hoover or vacuum rather the skirts around the frames and stuff, because obviously there is dust there and I want the adhesive to work as best as possible. So I'm going to get the old trusted Henrietta Hoover out and start cleaning, and then I'll then start to add the LED strips. Yeah, so just a quick tip guys, if you are cleaning like skirting boards, sometimes you'll just get the hoover nozzle and like try and hoover it up. But actually the better thing to do is get an old toothbrush like this one here, and then just start brushing it like that, and that just works way better to lift the dust, and then you can just hoover afterwards. So that's basically what I'm going to do now. It's probably going to take me 10 minutes. I'm not going to do a time lapse because it's boring, but yeah, let's get that bit sorted out first. Right guys, I've just realised something. I was actually going to put it here on this part of my skirting. The issue here is that on this part of my skirting, I'm just going to again move the camera around. Sorry for the bad angles guys. Underneath this bit here, as you can see, I need to actually take off the radiator because that's pretty bad. Like the mold and stuff there. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to put the actual strips on the wooden part here. Yeah, that's as best as I can do. So we're just going to clean that up now. Right, I am sweating a little bit because it's a hot day today. It's like 25 degrees out and I ain't got any windows open right now, but yeah, I'm just going to show you guys I have. So as you can see here, what I've done is I've just cleaned this part of the skirting here as best as I could. I do actually need to do some cable management as well. I mean, it's not too bad, but yeah, so now actually going to install the lights. So I'm going to try and have the camera a certain way so that you can kind of see what's going on. I'm also actually going to show you the lights. Yeah, so these are the lights that I got from Amazon. I believe this is 20 meters. So you've got the light strip here, you've got the power part where it plugs into, and then you've got your adapter, AC DC adapter. And yeah, so I think this one that I have has already got the sticky part. So yeah, we are going to start it from here and run it all the way through here, and then come out on the other side and finish here. I'm going to work this out. So yeah, another thing as well guys is you want to measure where you're putting down your LED strips first, so that you can then actually separately cut this. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. I forgot to do this, so I'm actually going to measure from that side of the room to where it will finish there. So I need to get my tape measure. So I've measured it both ways. It's about 255 centimeters across by 85 meters that way. The length is 255 and the width or the depth is 85 centimeters. So I now need to measure that with the LED strips roughly again, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have done it on the first bit of skirting here. I've come up to a corner now and I'm not sure what to do, so I'm going to quickly go on YouTube and have a look. Right, so I watched this guy on YouTube and he's saying that you want to put the LED strip in the opposite way to where you want to bend. So I'm going to try that now. But yeah, so far so good. Let's carry on with the rest of it. Okay, so the last thing that I was trying didn't work. So the next thing I heard is that if you pinch it at a 90 degree angle, that should help. So I'm just going to quickly show you where I'm at. Obviously I'm filming this myself, so I think what I'm going to do is basically make that pinch and then go to the opposite direction. Right, so this is what we currently have at the moment, guys. I've got the power block here, and then I've managed to do the thing where you go back around on itself. So yeah, it does work. I'm just going to obviously now bring it all the way through there. And yeah, once that is done, I'll show you how it looks. I'm not going to lie, this process is actually not that hard. It's just getting around corners. It's kind of tricky. You have to kind of basically go in the opposite direction to where you want to put the LED strip, and then kind of make a 90 degree thing and then come back and go to the direction that you want. But yeah, it's pretty easy. I'm going to finish off the rest and then show you how it looks. Right, so we're almost there. We've got the LED strips going right through. Obviously there's a radiator here as well, and it said not to put it next to anything metal. So what I've got to do here is run it down slightly and then on the floor up again. And then we've got one last corner to go through, and then I'm going to end it here by the door. Right, we are finally done. I'm going to quickly show you. So as you can see, we started from here, and I've made my way all the way around underneath the desk, and then right through there. And I've decided to stop it there because I didn't really want it to go round the door, because I think for this side I'm probably going to have another colour. But yeah, that's how it's looking. I had to obviously make a bit of a kink here on the floor because it says not to have it near metal. So I've done that. And yeah, I'm just going to go over it again quickly just to make sure it's stuck down properly. But yeah, that is it, guys. That is how you install LED strips into your studio or your room, cinema room. It doesn't have to be a music studio. I am a music producer, so I'm just showing you. In terms of the kink, yeah, again, if you're going, for example, to the left, you want to take the strip to the right and then kind of fold it back in on itself and then go the other way. Bit tricky, got there in the end. After this shot, I'll just show you a couple of nice cinematic shots. If you have any questions about this, drop me a comment down below and leave me a thumbs up if you've liked the video. And yeah, expect some new videos in the future from myself. Looking to be doing the tutorials again. I'm going to cool off as well because I'm absolutely sweating. It's 25 degrees today. It's August 2023 in London, and I'm telling you, I need to crack that window. The only reason why I'm not is because my garden outside is overgrown. There's literally like a spider out there trying to get in. But anyway, I'm going to leave it there for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the cinematic shot after this, and I'll see you in another video.